the bottom thing I want you to get from today is, how am I going to increase my portfolio? How am I going to do it safely? And what strategies am I going to use? Now, as you can see, I've got a list of very common option strategies out there. And a big problem out there that most of my competitors want to do is they want to teach you every single possible option strategy out there. They want to teach you close to 30. Now, I know close to 72 different option strategies, and there are different idiosyncrasies. And if you're a student of mine, you probably know a lot of them also. And yeah, and guys, tonight's being recorded. I'm going to be sending you a copy of tonight's session too. I know when I go over the trades, I might go over them a little bit fast, so you want to make sure that you write them down. If not, I definitely will get you a copy of today's recording. We'll probably have it done probably about an hour and a half after tonight's session. A lot of people watching some football game tonight, so I don't know what was going on. But anyway, the option strategy trading vehicles on the left-hand side of here, you'll see, a lot of people want to teach us straddles and strangles, debit spreads, buy calls, buy puts, naked calls, naked puts. Ratio back spreads aren't a bad trade. Covered calls, terrible trade. When I was meeting with my old friend who manages $120 million, he said that the covered calls was one of their main cash-generating vehicles. And it's amazing how many people called me up when the market crashed in 2008 and said, John, I'm getting killed on covered calls. I thought they were a safe strategy. My broker says they're safe. Well, that's really not the case. A covered call trade is a very high-risk trade. As you guys know, the ones on the right are the strategies that I consider. I mean, I'll do credit spreads. I'll do calendar spreads, butterflies, collars, iron condors, and double diagonals. And if you're brand new to trading, you don't understand what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. There's a good chunk of the people in the audience here that have taken my course, and it's just they understand the terms. Don't worry about it. It's something I'll explain in a little bit. So just relax, and I'll get into it in a little bit. But the strategies on the left, except for ratio back spreads, these are ones you want to stay away from. Let me save you a lot of time, a lot of money. Just stay away from all these trades on the left-hand side. Okay, ratio back spreads, they are very low risk trade, but boy, that stock's got to move 20-30% for it to be successful. So that's kind of why I put it in the left-hand column as being a little bit difficult to run. But if you're looking at trading options and if you're looking at having a safe portfolio and you're looking at doubling your portfolio every year, then look at the strategies on the right. And man, I just got another email today that they guarantee that you'll double your account every week trading options. And I got to, first of all, dismiss anything when it comes to the options world. Guys, you can literally make $1 million overnight. It's possible. But if you doubled your money every week, wouldn't you have all the money in the world in about a year or two? Let me bring you back down to earth. You can make money consistently trading in the markets. If you want to do it safely, go for small returns, 2, 5, 8%. Some trades will give you 15% monthly, but you want to be in the conservative realm when it comes to trading, and that's where what I'm all about. I don't like to do high risk trading. I like to sleep well at night, and I like to be in high control of my trades.